Here's something for former Orby TV service customers to consider before they switch to a new paid TV service provider like Dish or cable. There are reports of customers being out, in some cases, hundreds of dollars on the Orby receivers they bought, which are now non-functioning and unusable. I had a couple of former Orby customers reach out and tell me Dish told them it would cost between $300 to $500 to switch over, including the cost of new receivers, changeover fees, and that doesn't include a higher monthly service fee. This is a reminder that your Orby dish is reusable for free satellite TV. Just like these dishes that I have set up here. This one's a 39-inch dish, and this is a linear LNB, and that's the same type of LNB that the Orby dish has. So you can use that to receive free TV, just like these dishes I have set up here. All of these have linear KU band LNBs. So these ones are 2 round dishes. This one here is a Shaw satellite dish. That's a TV service we have in Canada, and that is also a linear LNB for KU band satellite. This white dish here is also for KU band, and all of these are linear. That's the same type of LNB the Orby dish has. So you can definitely reuse that for free satellite TV. And I have had a couple of people ask me, can I use my Orby dish for C-band? And looking at the size of these 2 10-foot mesh C-band dishes, your Orby dish will definitely not receive any C-band. And I do plan on doing more C-band videos in the future, but it's still very wintry here, as you can see. As I've said, you can reuse your Orby dish for free satellite TV, but the receiver is useless. So you'll have to buy a new receiver, but you don't have to spend a lot of money if you just want to try it out and get started. This receiver is the cheapest possible satellite receiver I can find. I only paid $38 Canadian with shipping, and I'm going to do a full video review on it shortly. This one's made by GT Media, and it's a pretty good receiver. They're a little less common nowadays, and I think they cost around $70. The price has gone up on them, probably because of the pandemic. And this one here is the Amico Mini HT265. This is a very good receiver. It's a little more expensive, around $88 American, but it's a good quality receiver. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to get started with free satellite, and these definitely are a lot less expensive than switching to, say, Dish. So I made this video just to remind people that they do have options before they sign a contract and get locked into a long-term commitment with a service like Dish or a cable company. You don't have to spend a lot of money. If you want to just try out the hobby, you can start really cheap and then, always upgrade later. You already have the dish. All you need is a receiver to get you up and running. You can try it for a month or 2, and if you don't like it, then sign up for a paid TV service.